Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize research PDFs into bullet scripts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to summarize research PDFs into bullet scripts by using ChatGPT, all you gotta do is simply go to ChatGPT. Once you are in your ChatGPT, you need to simply tap it and get a login. Well, after doing this, simply tap on the plus sign and tap on add files. Now, once you have done this, select your PDF file. Now, once you have selected the PDF file as well, you need to simply type in the prompt like summarize into bullet scripts. After you have done this, you need to hit the send button, and once you have hit the send button, now your research, which is in the PDF form, will be read by ChatGPT and will be summarized into bullet scripts. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.